We recently received a call from a concerned individual whose elderly mother is in a care home. She was struggling to hear, especially noisy environments, which has led her to feel extremely isolated. Due to health complications, travel was difficult, and the local clinic couldn't provide a home visit. However, with 200 audiologists nationwide, we were able to provide a free home hearing assessment. At Hearing Aid UK, we know that when hearing starts to fade, getting the right help can make all the difference. Hearing loss can lead to cognitive decline, memory issues, and social isolation, especially in the elderly. Contact us today to support your loved ones. No matter where they live, we bring hearing care right to their door.